Alright, question 6. In the equation ax plus 3 squared is equal to 36, a is a constant. If x is equal to negative 3 is one solution of the equation, what is the possible value of a? So basically, something squared is equal to 36. So what are the possible answers? It's either negative 6 or 6, right? So ax plus 3 is equal to either positive or negative 6. And so you can subtract 3. Well, you know that x is equal to negative 3. So negative 3a plus 3 is equal to 6, or negative 3a plus 3 is equal to negative 6. And you just solve. So for this, it's negative 3a is equal to 3. Divided by negative 3, divided by negative 3, a is equal to negative 1. Well, you have your solution. You don't even have to do the other one. So the answer is C. Okay. So question 12. In function m of 4 is equal to 6, and m of 6 is equal to 10. In function n of 6 is equal to 4, and n of 10 is equal to 2. What is the value of m of n of 6? So basically, you have to complete n of 6 first. What is n of 6? Right here. Is equal to 4. And then, using that value, you have to compute m of 4. What is m of 4? It's equal to 6. Therefore, your answer is C, 6. So, for the first question on my TikTok account is this question right here. It's considered to be one of the hardest questions on the SAT math section. So, the question goes, if 3x minus y is equal to 12, what is the value of 8 to the x over 2 to the y? So, how are you going to approach this question? So, first, let's look at this. 8 can be written as 2 to the third. So then you can write 8 to the x over 2 to the y as 2 to the third times x over 2 to the y, as C. And then how do you divide two exponents? You subtract them. So this is simply equal to 2 to the 3x minus y. And 3x minus y, you got it right here. And 3x minus y is also right here. So using substitution, you can get 2 to 12, which is why the answer is A. Alright, question 17. In the triangle above, the cosine of P is 0.8. What is the sine of Q? So let's assign the sides X, Y, Z. Okay? Following. And using SOHCAHTOA, which you might have learned in trig, you got the cosine of P is 0.8. So the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, X over, Y, that's a Y, I'm sorry about that. Y over Z is equal to 0.8. Alright, what is the sine of Q? Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is also Y over Z. And Y over Z is equal to 0.8. So therefore, the sine of Q is equal to 0.8. Alright, question 34. In the xy plane, the graph of the function above contains the point 4, negative 2. What is the value of k? So let's think of this value as the x value. So basically, negative 2 and negative 2 is the y value. So negative 2 is equal to 2, because we plug this in for x, 2 times 4 squared minus k times 4 plus 14 is equal to negative 2. So let's simplify. Negative 2 is equal to 32 minus 4k plus 14. Let's simplify even further. Negative 2 is equal to 46 minus 4k. Subtract 46 on both sides, leaving us with negative 48 is equal to negative 4k divided by negative 4, giving us k is equal to 12.